Alright, this movie is actually for the sale of this bike. Um, for everybody that wanted to see, a couple people wanted to see what it looked like. Well, it's not ice candy right now, but as you can see, the covers, everything has been taken off. I got all the screws, so I'll probably be putting it back together maybe tomorrow. The fairings have been repaired as best as I could. You can see, through the through the primer where it was cracked or whatever it may be. I left a little bit more on than should, but oh well. It cost me what, $30 to fix this too. So I'm not gonna get all been out of shape for a little extra stuff. Anyway, see, all the cracks were I sanded them down here, there. Can't see here. You can see a little bit of it, but this was a really nasty crack. But crack's gone. I mean, you can see where I bondo, where the nasty crack, that had a nasty crack in it. Filled it up. As you can see, it's smooth. I haven't even sanded those yet, so I'll probably just do a light sand because I don't want to reprime it. Put about 2 coats on all of this, and I got one more to go. As you can see, here's the tail. You can see right here it had a nasty crack as well. Nasty crack. Sanded it down. It's smoother. It looks like wow, but it's a lot smoother than what it looks. But it looks a lot better than what it did when it had a crack in it, because it was 2 pieces. Now it's 1 because I fixed it. And here's the major fix of the whole thing. This center cowl here was not even together. It was on the bike just because of the screws. That was it. This, as you can see, has a chunk missing, but with a little bondo, a little mesh, homemade mesh, and some shaping steel, it's as good as it'll get. I mean, the backside isn't cute, you see the gunk bondo, but who's looking at the backside of your fairings? I'm not. Maybe the guy you're passing on the freeway or whatever. But on this side, same thing. Looks like it's just a little deformed. Well, it wasn't there at all. A chunk about from here to here was missing. So again, some shaping steel, more gunk, but hey, again, who's looking at you from the side instead of somebody you're passing? But it's all together, as you can see. It's 1 piece. It was pieces. I just recently got through doing that. These 2 have been finished for a while. This one just needs to be primed. Yeah, that's it. And this is what everybody wanted to see. This is the bike. It's not eye candy. Again, I've taken all the plastics off. It's not eye candy. And this is part of the problem. This is why the video is here. I don't know what's going on right here. Maybe it's just an adjustment. I don't know. I've tried to take this off. I've gotten all of these off except for this. Stripped or something. Don't know. I even tried it with my air compressor. Didn't work. So I don't know on that and what's happening. Yeah, tires. Back one, you can't get away too long with that one. You're gonna need a tire. Exhaust, well, yes, plain exhaust. The front, if you can see, I'll show you down in there. I'll zoom in so you can see what you're looking at. That is probably the fork seal leak, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. No. It's not the fork seals. It looks like you need fork seal. Yeah, it is. You can see down there and there. If I point straight down, you can see it. The fork seals are leaking, and you can see my hands. My hands wasn't dirty before. I'm not zoomed in, so. Alright. Rim was like that when I got it. Yeah, I shouldn't have bought this bike, but oh well. Rotor looks, I need some love. If I keep this bike, all of this stuff's gonna get fixed. It'll be the first of the year. I already priced the rim, rotors. The big one is the clutch, transmission. That I do not know. You see the other rotor looks decent. Alright, don't have too much more juice, but I think my battery is dead, I'm pretty sure. So I'm gonna give you this sound bite before my camera cuts off, so you can see the lights aren't on here in the front because I took them off. Plastics, but the back works. So I'm gonna do this real quick. I know it's not gonna start. If it does, oh well. But it almost started. As you can see, it wants to start. So the lights work. That works. Everything works. That works. Don't really know what the problem is with this. It's funny because I live right next door to two mechanics. Well, one mechanic, but pretty much this is it. Battery, yeah, needs to be gone. But that's pretty much it. You see, here's a. That's first. Don't even need to. Alright, sounds good. Well, that's new. 2, 3. That's third. That's how they go. You can look, see what I'm looking at. I'm trying to hit first. So just put new plugs in last night. As you see, it wants to turn on. So that's all y'all get. Yeah.